Alright, we just finished Proficient, and now we're going to do an advanced example for folks that still need to review this idea, or they don't need to review, but they do want to do better. Uh-oh. Alright, now for our advanced problem. Same idea, make your list, and this is, there's going to be a trick here. And the advanced problem involves a double substitution. You're not given enough information to solve with just one formula. You need to do two. So I know a drag race car can go from rest to a max velocity of 150 meters per second in 10 seconds. So rest, v initial equals 0. Max velocity, v final equals 150. Time equals 10 seconds. Assume two cars have the same acceleration. What distance disadvantage will the driver face? So distance is our question. If our reaction time, so here's another time, 0.75 seconds. Okay, so in this example, we need to know they have the same acceleration, but we don't know the acceleration yet. But if I can find that, then I can use this time. But I need to find acceleration first. Acceleration equals v final minus v initial over time. So first we find acceleration, and then we plug it in over here, and we can find this distance. V final, 150 minus 0 divided by 10 seconds equals 150. The 0 is gone, divided by 10. So it's accelerating at 15 meters per second squared. So we know both cars have the same acceleration. A equals 15 meters per second squared. T equals 0.75 seconds. Find the distance. Alright, so the problem is we don't quite have enough yet, but remember that it's a race. They start from scratch. V initial equals 0. The formula, pick out what formula would you use with these variables. Try to pick it out. Pause the video. You know distance final equals distance initial plus VI t plus 1/2 AT squared. And now this works because I don't need to know the final distance of this race. I just need the initial. That's why this formula works. First thing you should do, rewrite the formula with the variables that equal 0 not there. Distance initial 0. If v final is 0, then time is 0. So distance equals 1/2 acceleration times time squared. So now this formula is way easier now. I can just plug it in. Distance equals 1/2 15 times 0.75 squared. That means the answer is 7.5. I combined these two times this one squared, 0.56. The answer is 4.2. And what are the units? We're trying to find distance, so the units are meters. So you can try this next one. I'll only give you the answer now. The answer is here is distance equals 10 meters.